In another video, we talked about how you're not the emotions. Well, now I want to talk about you're not the thoughts. Often, we merge our identity with the kind of thoughts that we're having. And if we don't understand what thoughts are, then we're going to be a victim. Our identity, how we see ourselves, is going to be dependent on what kind of thoughts we have. And you might be asking, well, what's the problem with that? Well, the problem with that is, very importantly, you're not really in control of your thoughts. You might think you are. Well, you are, but not directly. So, let's say, imagine I'm going to give you something that you desire a lot, a certain position, a certain kind of experience, maybe money, I don't know, whatever you desire a lot, and you're very excited about it, and I'm going to give it to you, but I say, you know what? The only condition is that in the next few seconds, you don't think of a monkey. Well, you're immediately going to start to think about a monkey in one way or another. You cannot avoid that. Why? Because, well, let's understand where the thought is coming from. A thought is just an automatic response. It's like the fruit that comes from the connection between the environment and your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is just the map that you have to create experiences with. So if I say, don't think of a monkey, you're going to think of a monkey because you have a map in your subconscious mind that it includes the key or the information of the sound monkey, and you have attached to it a certain image, a certain even past experiences. So because the thought is the automatic fruit that comes in the moment, you are not in control of the thought. So obviously you're not the thought, you're just experiencing the thought. Once you understand that you have nothing to do with the thought, you're just experiencing it, then you can choose to change the environment and change the subconscious map. If I'm having a certain kind of thought that I don't want to have, if I'm having a thought that goes against what I want to experience, so let's say I want to be abundant, I want to have the financial freedom to do this or that or the other, but I have a voice, I have a thought that says, no, you're not gonna make it. No, that's hard. No, you're not smart enough. We'll say, you know what? Okay, wait. That thought is not who I am. That thought is coming automatically from the environment in connection to the subconscious map. Perhaps I heard when I was 5 years old or 10 that life was hard, that to make money you had to suffer. And that got printed in my subconscious map. And now I see the environment, and the environment is telling me the same thing. Life is hard. You're like, you know what? I don't take that. I don't accept that. I'm going to change the environment. I'm going to start to see a different environment. I'm going to start to hear, people that have some positive things to share about how beautiful life is, how easy it really is to have financial freedom, or as an example, right? And then also, as I change the environment that I'm surrounding myself with, that includes obviously like TV programs and that kind of thing, right? But I also want to change the subconscious map. So I know if I have that voice, it's because I have the map that is creating that voice. So I have to change both the environment and the subconscious map. How do I change the subconscious map, you might ask? Well, there's a few options. The one that I recommend the most, it's hypnotherapy. If you don't have the time, the money, the resources, or you don't know a good one, you can do a lot of repetition. The subconscious mind is built out of habit. The things that we learn, like for example, if you know how to walk, that's a lot of information. That's actually a lot of information. I mean, for the mind to control the body in just the precise way for you to move and walk without tripping, falling over, becoming out of balance or anything. It takes a lot of it, but it's so easy. It's so automatic. Why? Because you did it a lot of times. That's why it took you a year or perhaps even more. But just like that, within a few months of repetition, you can change your subconscious mind, at least, bits and pieces as you go through it, because you're not going to be able to change everything, in one go. But if you start to focus on what to change about the environment and what to change about the subconscious mind, so that you automatically have positive thoughts, so that you automatically wake up in the morning and feel great about that day. You just feel great about being alive. You feel great about going to work. You feel great about everything. Imagine how life would be if you have the right subconscious map and you are changing the environment around you so that you have that automatic response. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. So anyway, thank you for sharing your time with me. I appreciate it. I see you on the next video. Bye-bye.